Ito po.
Ma'am, Saro.
Magandang position.
Here po. Thank you.
Jordan. Pamangkin ka ba? Jordan, harap ka dito.
Sige lang, sige. Eyes here. Dito naman. Okay, dito. Pasakat ka naman.
Harap ka dito.
Sige ma'am, dito po kayo. Hi sir.
Hi,
Alright. Smile. Sa gitna ka konti sir. That's good. Smile yan sir. Eyes here. Eyes here. Okay, good. Dito naman pa. Sa kanila.
Chom.
Alright, good. Smile yan. Okay, good. That's good. Dito ka sir. Sa red door. Bandang gitna sir. I'm sorry, madam.
Cedric 1.
Sir, the picture.
1. Cedric. Great. Thank you. Cedric.
Kailan po tayo? Sorry po.
Mamaya po sa table pa.
Sorry po.
Later na lang po natin yung picture.
Give it. Please.
Direct Pepe.
Akong Burza. Ang daming nomination. Best actor talaga, di ba? Of course, we have here JC Santos.
Dito muna po tayo, sir.
JC.
Hi, JC! Ang pogi ko! Oh my God! Sino mo naman dami mo tonight? This is sir, ang nomination mo dapat from Manila? First time. First time? Nakakagulat, sobrang galing mo. Ano sa pila to be nominated? Great opportunity. Sobrang galing
Congrats, ha?
My God, nagpa-viral ako dito, Papa, ang yelo. Sobrang gwapo mo. And congratulations, Lomi, ako. Nandiyan ako sa Boca. How does it feel?
Catching up with, your friends in showbiz, looking forward.
Thank you so much, and congratulations.
Sino yung naka-orange na ba?
Thank you, Piolo.
Ito pa, another crush ko. Pero Prince Aliana sa Sneaker Film. And Julie, oh my God. Prince, how are you? You made it!
Of course, with me is multi-awarded Tamas Hall of Famer for Best Editor, Mr. Jess Navarro. From Public Service, this is Sir Matters Romino. And from the Film Academy of the Philippines, Mr. Ray.
Well, meron pa naman kasama ko din si Red Carpet. Let me ask you this question, Direk Chris. Ang dami ko nababasa online because of yung mga scenes natin. The movie industry daw is dying. Ano masasabi mo dito, Direk?
I don't know if it's dying, pero
Pelikula, di ba? So, we will see you inside po. And congratulations.
Sama-sama na kami. Kaya wala ako ng passport.
We have here Sir Brian from the Air Force One. Hello, sir. Congratulations naman. And good luck. Di ba? Okay. Picture mo na sila. Picture mo na sila.
Sorry, if you want to go, sa likod yung lalaki. Sige pa, pasok mo.
Sinabi mo lang ang kanila. Best child actor, Robin. Hello! You look so pogi naman today. So, good luck. Robin Award, best child actor, right? Ayun ang hindi na lang isang tahan.
Hi, Bien. Hello.
We have here Papa Master Team, of course, the Unique National for the best short film, right? Best short film. Is this your first film, and we got fighting in the Pacific House. What's it feel to be nominated? Alam ko you have your actors with you. Why don't you ask them to join us here, diba? Sila ba yung mga actors na mag-share the moment ako? I cannot wait to watch it. Hello? Okay, sorry. Miss Louie Serna, Icon Awardee. Hello, Miss Louie, sobrang ganda yung po like as always. Who are you from?
I was styled by Alvin Ramos. I'm sorry, I forgot the name of the designer. Si Alvin Ramos, my wonderful Alvin Ramos style for me tonight. And my makeup, if you don't mind my Sing Souls done by Jerry Abuso, and my jewelry are from my friend Leah Bernardo Gulay.
Of course, sobrang ganda. And Miss Suki, kayo po ay Icon Award. So, sobrang talagang bonus award na yun. Kasi ang tagal nila po talaga sa showbiz. Ano masasabi niyo sa mga younger stars ngayon? 50 plus years, grabe, hindi pa ako pinapanganak. Pero sobrang ganda na pa rin po. Sobrang ganda niyo. Para kayong 25 na. So, boy, lang na question na lang. Okay. Ano masasabi niyo bilang kayo Icon Award yun? Ano mga thoughts sa mga up-and-coming at mga gusto maging artista like you?
Well, ang una kong advice is that they have to love their craft. And then, kailangan pag nasa industriya ka na, you have to be patient. You have to have humility. You have to be serious about your craft. Kasi may mga iba na pumapasok for the wrong reasons. Yung mga ganon, I'm sorry to say, hindi nagtatagal sa industriya. Pero kung pinag-aralan mo ng mabuti ang ginagawa mo, minahal mo, nirespeto mo ang iyong trabaho, I think more than anything else, you will succeed in the industry.
Kaya naman tumakit.
And of course, that's not the song about, but everything is by God's grace. Pagkalilog sa atin ng Panginoon na hindi talaga yung industriya para sa atin, no one can stop us.
Of course, I agree. Kaya naman tumakit po kayo almost 50 years to the industry.
54, 55 years. Thank God.
At tatagal pa, di ba?
May awa ang Diyos. Sana nawasan po siyempre ninyo ang mga bagong mga henerasyon at ang mga kasama sa trabaho as long as you need me as a leader.
We need you, warriors ka po. Congratulations po, Miss Rich. Congratulations.
One,
Inaksinated dito, 10 years na ako, hindi nag-a-attend ng
one,
awards.
two, one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congrats.
Congrats
Thank
po.
you, thank you.
Ay, cheer po. Smile yan. Okay, good. Sige po, sa kabilang side naman. I mean, dito yung photo po dito.
Mamami ko naman. Mamami naman. Selfie ng anak, mamami.
I would...
Warriors, di ba? Lahat na kayo mga hindi makuha. How about you?
Mag-start ng award.
Okay, good luck.
Dito po. Thank you. Okay.
Hi, John. Yeah, see you later. Hi.
Hanapin nyo na lang si
Happy.
Daddy Wawi ron. Hanapin nyo na lang si Daddy Wawi.
Sa Miss Vilma. Ate B. Hello. Akala ko dati
Hello, love! Hi, love! Hi, love! Hello, love!
Ayun na lang. Oo, magpalit tayo.